guys, take a look at the mojito mint. Today I'm collecting seeds from my garden. So, when your basil dies, like mine's did earlier, kind of this season, I kind of revived it, but I just let it be because there was too much damage and it is what it is. But so they sprout these things, they become flowers. And then eventually, as all flowers do, they produce seeds. You cut some off and then have a take a look inside. Inside those are seeds, those black cubes. And this is cool because I grew these basil plants actually from seed, which produces more seeds, meaning I can double in on my basil for next year. Same thing for my peppermint. I harvested a bunch of these earlier because the flower still has some fragrance in it and in mass, so you can also use them for tea. But yeah, when these dry up a bit more, they'll have seeds in them, and the ones I harvested had seeds, so I'm gonna get some seeds out of those. Now this is a perfect example between the start and the end of the seeding lifestyle process. So here is a good flowering sprout, one that's beginning to start to flower, and then one that's waning on its flower, and then another one that has seeds in it. Boom. Now if I was to shake these on my hand, seeds will fall out. Let's see if I can set you guys up. See them? Yeah, catnip seeds are really tiny. Leave that in for next season. Over here, you see these little seeds and tiny there? This is for lettuce. Now these things will pick up, blow away, and take the seeds with them. So it's funny because these things that are in the pods are exactly what I planted to get these lettuce. So, oh, it's a little sticky. So when I pluck this, take it with me, there's a bunch of seeds inside that I could plant for lettuce next year. Now, before they turn into these seed pods, they start off as yellow flowers. You can already see some of the seeds coming out, and you see these little things will fly away, carry the seeds off, and plant somewhere else. Let's gather the rest of the seeds. Now, other than this, some plant seeds come from actual fruiting. These are some tomatoes that ended up having some blossom and rot. But for an example here, this is a tomato plant that I did not plant. See the tiny tomato here? The reason why it's small is because I had no idea it was here. Now this is around the area where I had my tomato plants the first year, which was exactly right here. Meaning this is the most likely cherry tomato. So the reason that this is here is because I left some bad tomatoes to just chill here and compost the ground, refertilize, you know, as I'm like doing right now. But it turns out when you do that, and the seeds that is inside the actual plant, they regrow in the ground. So this is one way how you would gather, let's say, tomato seeds for next year. You would need the seeds in the actual plant, ones that we can eat. And that would be the same way for more other plants, but it's harder when it comes to berries and other stuff. So guys, just keep that in mind. It's probably not worth it to gather certain kind of seeds, like say strawberry seeds. Hey, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and you know, I'm bringing some more garden content like you guys requested, and we got some different kind of content coming out. It's probably gonna be later this week. So yeah guys, so after these 2 videos today, I got probably 3 more I'm working on, and Other than that, stay wondering.